stilling your body and stilling your mind, stilling your intellect, accessing cosmic energies, activating the inner senses. All this is the science of meditation or the science of enlightenment. We exist as gods, we persist as gods, we move in so many dimensions as gods. To make ourselves stronger and more energetic gods, we have to gather the cosmic energies through the process of meditation. That's all we need to do. In the future world, there will be many less words spoken by human beings. In fact, they will hardly speak. That is the destiny of humanity. Through meditation, we become cosmic travelers.